Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can find a high converting product to promote on Maxbounty. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave your comments below. Now, so this is my account on my Maxbounty. Maxbounty is one of the biggest CPA platforms you can find online. So there are several niches that you can actually find on Maxbounty. And one thing I like about this website is that, look, no matter your niche, you can find something to promote. And every week they will send you an update of the best converting products that are on the platform. So without further ado, let's move on. So you want to find high converting products to promote so that you can make money online. So when you come here, you see top campaigns, trending campaigns, Maxbounty picked. So these are these three here, 1, 2 and 3. Top campaigns, trending campaigns, and Maxbounty picks. These are the areas where you can actually find high converting products. So let's look at top campaigns and see what is there. So you see, these are campaigns that a lot of people are promoting, and you can equally promote them. So the good thing is that always go with the tide. What a lot of people are promoting, also promote them, and you will surely make money. Inbox dollars, for instance, is one product that is high converting. So you can equally go with one of them and you can make some good money as well. Now let's look at the other trending campaigns. And you see that they cut across. Inbox dollars is there again. So these are products that are high converting. And if you were watching, surveys to cash was equally part of the products that are among the top campaigns. So you see, these are products that are fast growing. Now let's see how you can do the search yourself. Now you come to this place, you see search campaign. So we are going to search for high converting products. So from there you come to this place, search options. So you click on search options. Now let's take it that you don't actually know exactly which country you want the product from, but you want, for example, email submit, where somebody will just submit their email and you get paid. So we'll select mobile optimize, then my approved offers. Remember, there are some of the offers that you have to apply for you to be allowed to promote. We don't want that. We want products that we by default we are allowed to promote, and we also want products that we know that we are paid per lead. We don't want a percentage. You get that? So if you are interested in a particular country, then you can select maybe Canada, United States, or you want Australia, India, Japan, wherever, or Brazil. So let's take it, for example, for now, let's go with all countries. So after selecting mobile optimize, my approved offers, so now we are interested in traffic sources. All these traffic sources, we are interested in them. Now if you don't want email offers that you can promote by email, so you can uncheck this, but for now let's leave it. So let's click on search. So we have a list of offers now. So these are the list of offers. Good. We have now these are the campaign names. This is the CPA type. Remember earlier we chose per lead, so the CPA type, or everything here is per lead. Then this is the CPA rate, how much you will be paid if your traffic converts. Then we have EPC. EPC simply means earnings per click. So this is what we'll be using to determine the products that convert. And EPC is calculated using your total earnings divided by total number of clicks. So let's look at it this way. Let me get this. Good. So if you have let's say this product is $2.4 per lead. So let's say if you earn let's say you have five leads that conversions. So 2.4 times 5, so that's 12. So you have 12, and total clicks you had before you had your $12, was, for example, 52. So you have 12 divided by 52, and that will give you, so divided by 52, so your EPC will be 0.23, and that is your EPC. So that is how this is actually calculated. So all these 0.003, 0.05, that is how it is calculated. Here we have 0.29. This means that this product here is converting very well. At least when you see something like this, it's a product that converts. So now let's come here. So to know the products that are actually converting, you come here and click on EPC. So it will sort them out and arrange them from highest to the least. So what it simply means is that this product, this is sweepstakes month, this product converts very well. So this is over 10%. It converts over 10%. So any product that is up to 10% is very good. If you calculate this, that is more than 10%. So you see, all these products are very good. You can choose to promote any of these if you are in that niche. So you see, so those you will want to stay away from plans like this. See, it pays 0.24, but the earnings per click is 0.05. It means that the conversion is not good. You will lose a lot of money. That is, if you are using paid traffic to promote this. However, if even it is free traffic, you will still be losing money. So why not go with products that are high converting? So you see this. Now for products like this, which is new, you see that we have new here. It means it's a new product that have just been launched on Maxbounty and nobody has promoted it yet. So they have not calculated the earnings per click. And remember, this is the general earnings per click within the network. As individuals, you also have your earnings per click. These are the traffic sources. So we have contextual, we have display, search, social media, native, and mobile. So this is how you can promote promote the traffic sources, the EPC. So guys, in short, so this is how you can actually identify a high converting product from Maxbounty or any other CPA network or affiliate network for that matter, and promote. And remember, affiliate CPA products actually have some restrictions in terms of traffic sources. So if you want to promote any product, make sure you take into consideration the traffic sources as well as the EPC. Please like this video, leave your comments below, and I read each and every comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'm out for now.